How to use DoNotPay, consumer rights properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think protecting their consumer rights with DoNotPay is as simple as clicking a button, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that reduce its effectiveness or even result in denied claims. The first mistake is providing incomplete or inaccurate information. DoNotPay relies on the details you input to generate complaints, refunds, or legal letters. Beginners who skip important facts like purchase dates, receipts, or order numbers risk rejection or delays. Another common error is assuming DoNotPay handles all types of disputes equally. While it excels at refund requests, subscription cancellations, and small claims, beginners who try to use it for complex legal disputes may find it insufficient. Many users also fail to follow up on generated letters or forms. DoNotPay creates documents, but you often need to send them to the right party and track responses. Beginners who ignore follow-up steps may miss deadlines or lose claims. Ignoring local or state consumer protection rules is another pitfall. Certain rights, like return periods or warranty claims, vary by location. Beginners who skip these considerations risk non-compliance or invalid submissions. Finally, some users over-rely on automation and skip human review. Reviewing the generated content ensures accuracy, clarity, and legality. Beginners who don't double-check may send incomplete or incorrect letters. To use DoNotPay, consumer rights properly, provide complete and accurate information, focus on disputes within its strengths, follow up consistently, consider local laws, and review generated documents carefully. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll maximize your chances of successful resolutions efficiently and confidently.